Hi everyone, it's Gail and I am here with an Etsy Share bonus video. Guess what? The August kit from Mixed Media, Minnesota has arrived and Shannon is going to have 36 of these kits available on July 25th. So I wanted to be sure and get this video up so you guys could see this glorious kit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We are going to look at we'll look at the papers first because that always kind of tells us what everything else is going to match. Now this is the Romantic collection. And it is, sorry, that's really loud. I'm sorry. I should always do that beforehand, but I never remember. So let's just look. So it's Stamperia Romantic Collection Threads. So sewing themed. And I have made a traveler's notebook out of this paper pad before and loved working with it. It's so pretty. So look at the back of the cover here. All sorts of journal cards and things, and then just gorgeous papers, just gorgeous. And you know the backs, again, it's so hard sometimes because the backs are as pretty as the fronts, aren't they? Love is the thread that binds us. How wonderful is that? Oh, I love this one. So pretty. I made something fun with that, I remember. So I'm excited. I'm excited to have this paper pack, and wait till you see the go with stuff. But I wanted you to see the papers first. Love this collage-y thing. So yeah, so that is the collection, Threads. In the kit, you get the die cuts. So these are kind of chipboard. So, you know, great for covers and things like that. So, yep, you get the die cuts. You get a Stamperia stamp, which is awesome. It doesn't, let's see, it's got WTKCC95 on the back. It doesn't really have a name, but obviously it's sewing related. I love that. I'm super excited about this. Some Prima scissors charms, 8 of them. We've got, what have we got? We've got Stamperia decorative chips. So chipboard. It's got the fashion form, handmade, made with love, and then a design. Oh, that's really pretty. Can you see that okay? Look at there. Yeah. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And then some Stamperia lace. And then here is the rice paper that goes with the Threads collection. Isn't that pretty? And then what else do we have here? We have a giant, I feel like, it's 4 ounces, it says, self-adhesive embellishments. So apparently, oh, you adhere them yourself. I was thinking they had sticky on the back, but no. So anyway, a whole bunch of white buttons. I mean, and those always come in so handy. And then last but not least, I absolutely love these. Look at these Prima flowers. They are gorgeous. Love these. These are kind of fuzzy. They look fuzzy. So that is what you get in the August kit from Mixed Media, Minnesota. Again, Shannon has put together just a gorgeous kit to work with and just make your journal so special. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Shannon, for sharing with us. Again, those will be available on Mixed Media, Minnesota, which of course the link will be down below, on July 25th. And there's only 36 of them. Once again, you got to get over there. And if you miss out, remember that you can do a 3-month subscription to her kits. So that's a good way not to miss out. Okay, let's look at these. Miss Lorna from Tailor Made Journals. I got a couple more of her stamps. I love her stamps so much. So the first one is Journal, which looks like that. It's a definition stamp. And then I think the other one is Vintage. Is that right? Okay, can't get it out of the sack. Oh, there's a couple in there. I'm sorry. I can't quite. Oh my gosh, Lorna, am I going to have to tear your sack? I love your sacks. There we go. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. This one is stuck too. Okay, here we go. Whew. Okay, so we have Journal, the definition, Journal, the word in 2 different sizes, and then Vintage definition too. So Lorna has absolutely fabulous stamps, so if you can get over there and grab them. She makes a new one, you know, fairly often, maybe once a month or so. Let me make sure she didn't say anything that I needed to pass on. Oh yes, this is about these. These are digital kits from Tailor Made Journal. And let's see. This is the La Vie and Rose Junk Journal Digi. Look at this cute thing she has on there. Okay, let's see what we've got. La Vie and Rose. Is that how you say it? I have no idea. I only speak English, and even then it's with Montana accent. So, so I don't know. Okay, so let's see here. How are we doing this? This way, I think. Okay. Oh my goodness, look how vibrant that is. That's so pretty. Okay. These pages are printed on Epson presentation paper matte double-sided printing. Ephemera pieces are an Epson premium paper matte. She backed many of this kit using her lace paper digital kit sets 1 to 3. So La Vie and Rose. Let's flip through. Yep, there's her beautiful lace. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, so pretty. It is really fun to see it in real life as opposed to, you know, just on your screen when you're shopping on Etsy. Oh, gorgeous. Really beautiful, Lorna. So many pages. Ooh, isn't that pretty on the back? I love that one too. And then it looks like we've got envelopes. Got an old letter. Got an up and down page. A letter page, kind of. Envelopes and circles and stuff. Ooh, fussy cut items. Ooh. Little journaly cards sorts of things. Sorry, I keep running into things over on my side there. Yep, La Vie and Rose. This one's called. Gosh, that's just beautiful, Lorna. Thank you for sending it. Oh, she's got some words. That's always fun, isn't it? Bookmarks or belly bands. Files. Or fussy cut items. Oh, these are just beautiful. That is a beautiful kit, Lorna. La Vie and Rose. See, it says right there. That's beautiful. Love it. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Okay, and then, let's see. The next one is called Faded Summer. So, check that one out. Faded Summer DigiKit. Let's see. So fun. It's like opening a present. Okay, and let's see here. Yep, we got to go this way. Yep. Uh-oh, it's got bunnies. Yay, it's got bunnies. Okay, so I love the color too. Okay, well, let's see what she says about that. Okay, yeah, yep. Okay. She's also used, she says, some Southworth antique laid 25% cotton paper for envelopes and coin envelopes. She says, I love that it makes them feel more like actual antique rag paper documents. Yeah, that's cool. Southworth antique laid 25% cotton paper. I might have to see if I can find some of that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Love the colors. It's very subtle. I mean, you could do more decorating on these pages and or have a journal with a ton of writing space. Oopsie, excuse me. This one has little dragonflies in the background. It's a little bee. Oh, bunny. That's a little short-eared bunny. Oh, this is lovely too, Lorna. We've got deer and bunnies. I don't know how she has time to design all these stamps and all these kits. It's amazing. This is that paper. It feels really cool. I wish you could feel it. Really cool. Have to look for some of that. Here's the ephemera for the kit. Wow, this is beautiful. I love this. Faded Summer. So pretty. This would be a fun transition journal between summer and fall, I think. Oh my gosh, beautiful images. Just beautiful, Lorna. Wow. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for sharing these. Very nice. Okay. Some pockets. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, Lorna. Thank you so much, my friend, for sharing these. They're just wonderful. I love them. And I love my new stamps. Yay. I'm excited about those too. So there we go. That is Tailor Made Journals. Of course, the link will be down below. Okay. Just changing gears for a second. Had myself a little shop, as I am wont to do. And I went to September Playground. I've ordered from them before. I don't know if I've ever shared them, but they have, you know, all the scrapbooking supplies, you know, and just kind of another shop that I've enjoyed looking at. Well, they had new items that caught my eye. These are Ciao Bella paper stamps. Let me get them up close. And I just thought they were really cool background stamps with the flowers and the numbers and everything. So picked myself up those. And then I was like, you know, I have 2 colors of liquid pearls and I really wanted some more colors. And it's so funny because these 2 colors are like perfect for the mixed media Minnesota kit. So good job, Gail. That was a little, I don't know, that maybe that was a little bit of ESP or something I had going. So September Playground is a nice place to get some of your supplies too. Okay, so then Nancy from Nancy's Fancy Beads, she sent me a kit. She said, I know you want to do a purple journal, so I thought I'd send you the Pretty Pansy. So I wanted to flip through this. I printed it out. Oopsie, it's upside down. I printed it out so that I can put it with the purple stuff. So yeah. So thank you so much, Nancy. That was really sweet of you. But she is Nancy's Fancy Beads on Etsy. So, so yeah, some more purples to accent my purples. So there we go. Yeah, so that's Nancy's Fancy's Beads, Pretty Pansy. And then last but certainly not least, my pal Took at Took's Craft Table has this kit. It is called Rose Garden, and I really, really love it. I think it's so pretty. Took, you really outdid yourself on this one. So it's got front pages and back pages. I didn't do them in the right order because my printer messed up, but there's that back. Isn't that pretty? That's so soft. Love that. Actually, I have to say, I thought of my friend Lorette when I saw this kit. Hi, Lorette. She is such a shabby chic girl, and this is, I feel like this is right up her alley. It's up my alley too. I love it. So those are all the pages, and then there's a ton of ephemera in this kit. Yep, Rose Garden is the name of it. And I mean, I feel like, yes, you could make a journal with this and have all sorts of cool pieces. These are library pockets. But I feel like a lot of this kit would just go with, you know, garden journals, shabby chic journals. I mean, you'd use all the pieces of this for sure. So I really, really like it, Took. So pretty. Thank you for sharing it. Some pockets. More pockets. More pockets. Little labels and things too. Some individual journal cards, folded journal cards, and envelopes. Isn't that gorgeous? I can just see Lorette getting that all beautified with her goodies that she does. And bookmarks or belly bands or, you know, whatever. And then this is like a backing page, an avocado dyed backing page. So that is Rose Garden from Took's Craft Table. So that's what I have for you today. Remember to get over to Mixed Media Minnesota on July 25th. I think those will go fast, those kits. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend. I'm off to go take care of my granddaughter who got her tonsils out. So I'll be leaving in a couple of hours to go hang out with her and make sure she takes her medicine on time. So thanks, everybody. Have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.